Good morning. So today we are headed off to Kidzania where the kids get to try out little jobs for the day, and they get paid money, and then other ones they have to pay money to participate in. So we're going there. We've been there before and the kids really loved it, but we're going again because last time we went Summer was only I think 2, and so this time she will actually be able to participate in the activities, so it should be really good.
2, 3. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You're only halfway through.
Okay.
Watch the rising of the sun, the shadows start to run. Standing at the start of something great. See the hope that lines the sky, and we'll let it be our guide. I won't close my eyes. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. All I know, somehow we'll see this through. Every second that it takes is a sign we're on the way. Wait to the rhythm of the moment that we're making. The silver lining we'll find is worth the waiting. I think we're on to something good. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go.
The kids deformed. Look at it. The stick. Okay, it's about to run out, so bye.